Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amul's Academy. Today in this tutorial we are discussing about the append and extend methods. These two are the list methods and here we are discussing about the difference between append and extend methods. Okay, so first we'll see what is append method. Okay, this append method is used to add the element at the end of the list. As I said, if you want to add a single element at the end of the list, then you can use this append method. So for example, if A is a list, so here A is a list and it contains 1, 2, 3 elements. And now if I want to add a element at the end of this list, then I can use this append function. To use this append function, first we need to mention the list name. Okay, here list name is A. And here I need to use keyword append. Here next I need to mention the element. If I want to enter 10, then here I need to mention 10. So this will add the element 10 at the end of the list A. Okay, here. Okay, so this is about the append method. This method is used to add the element at the end of the list. Okay, so next we'll discuss about the extend method. Okay, this method is used to add the elements at the end of the list. In the append, we'll add single element at the end of the list. Here in the extend method, we'll add all the elements of the iterables to the end of the list. Okay, now I mentioned iterables. So what is iterables? Anything which can be loop over is called as iterables. We already discussed about the iterables in our video series. So if you want, you can go and check. Okay. For now, just remember that iterables are nothing but anything that can be loop over. Or we can say anything which is present at the left of the for loop is called as iterable. For example, if I take for I in, here we can take list, or we can take tuples, or we can take strings, right? This is called as iterables. For example, here if I take 1, 2, 3, 4, here this is a list and this is called as iterable. Okay, and the few example for iterables are list, tuples, strings. So here the first difference is append will add the single element at the end of the list, but this extend method will append all the elements from an iterable. We'll take few examples so you'll understand. Okay, so here in Python shell, first we'll take the example for append. So for that, first I'll create one list called A. Okay, and I'll take elements as 1, 2, 4. Okay, this is my list and my list name is A. Okay, now if I print A, we can see 1, 2, 4. Now I want to add an element that is string hello at the end of this list. So for that I'll use append function. Okay, append. Okay, so here first I need to mention this next append. Next here I need to mention the element. So I'll mention as hello. So I want to append a string that is hello to the list A. Okay, so I'll enter. If now I print A, here we can see 1, 2, 4 and hello. Here hello is treated as a single element and this will be added to the list. Okay, this is about the append. So next we'll take the example for extend. So for A, I'll use extend. Okay, here I need to mention the iterables, not the element. Here I need to mention the iterables. As I said, list, tuples, string, these are the iterables. Here I'll mention a string. Okay, so here I'll mention Amul. Okay, this is my iterable or string. Now I'll see the output. Here we can see previously A contains this element that is 1, 2, 4 and hello. Next here we can see we use extend method here and our string is Amul. Here we can see each character is taken as the element. As I said, it will print each element of iterables. Here Amul is a string which is an iterable. So here we can see each element of that string, right? So this is the difference between append and extend. Here it will treat this as the single element, single unit. So this is the first difference. And the next difference is here when we use append, the length of the list will be increased by 1. Okay, so here we can see previously it contains 3 elements, so length of the string will be 3. After append function, it contains 4 elements, that means the length of the list A is 4 here. Here in the extend method, length will be incremented based on how many elements are present in the iterable. Okay, so as I said about the length, here we can see before the length of the A is 3. Okay, now we can see length of A is 4. If you want to check, you can check length of A, and here we can see 4. Okay, and now I'll take another list. Okay, this is my list, and here I'll use extend method, and here I need to take one iterable. So I'll take my iterable as a string. My string is hello. Okay, this is the output. Now I'll check the length of B. Here we can see 8. Okay, so here the length of the list is incremented by 1 in the append. In the extend, length will be incremented based on how many elements present in the iterable. Okay, so next, as I said, here in the extend we need to mention the iterables only. If I use just a number, okay, 10 is not a iterable. Okay, here we can see the error, int object is not a iterable. Okay, so in the extend method we can only add the elements of the iterables. Okay, so this is the difference between append and extend. So if you want to sum it up, then we can say in the append, extend. Okay, so in the append we'll add single element at the end of the list, but here in the extend we'll append all the elements of the iterables, right? And here we can add any list, string or any number to the list, but here only we can add the elements of iterables, right? We tried to extend the list using 10, we got error, right? Okay, so third difference is in the append method the length of the list will be incremented by 1. Okay, that's because in the append function we'll add single value at the end of the list, so length of the list will be incremented by 1. But here length increment will be based on how many elements present in that iterables. Okay, so this is the difference between append and extend methods. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in next class. Till then, take care.